Today we bring you the 16th 1A stage contest, which features Aggrey Memorial Senior High School, Notre Girls Senior High School, and Nandom Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Notre Girls Senior High School. Notre Girls Senior High School is represented by
Sulemana Wumpini Angela, final year.
Addison Adjoa Darrell, final year.
You are very welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
How are you?
We are favored.
Good. They are favored. Yes. Now, Notre Girls Senior High School, can you tell us a little bit about your school?
Okay. Notre Dame Girls Senior High School is a girls' school located in the Brown-Hafu region, specifically Fiapre Sunyani. It was founded in the year 1987 by the School Sisters of Notre Dame, and our motto is, "In God we are one."
All right. Thank you for that. And the 2017 National Science and Math Quiz, how is it going for you so far?
By God's grace, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You are coming from the prelims.
Yes, please.
What happened there?
It was God's intervention, and we believe that it's the same God that did it before will do it again.
Okay. So, God intervened against whom?
We're with New Jaben and Kimbu.
And how was the contest? I want some details. What is all this?
Okay. At the first round, we had 10 points, and then New Jaben were leading with 4 points. They had 14, and God intervened in the speed race, and then we won by God's grace.
Okay, so you won your contest.
Yes.
All right, that was the nature of the intervention. All right. What shall we expect today?
God's grace is sufficient for us.
All right. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Nandom Senior High School. Nandom Senior High School is represented by
Beluriti Akin.
Jeliluti Yusuf.
All right. You are welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You look so serious. You are here for business.
How is it?
All right. As part of the business, please tell us about Nandom Senior High School.
Okay. Nandom Senior High School is a boys' school located in Nandom in the Upper West region, and it was founded in the year 1968 with our motto. Our motto is idealism and generosity.
All right. Okay. And you are coming to us from the prelims. What happened there?
During the preliminary stage, actually, we lost to Wesley Girls. That was Wesley Grammar Senior High. And fortunately on our part, we were part of the highest scoring losing schools. So we made it up to the 1A stage, and we are here to put on our best and make sure we go to the quarterfinals.
Okay, so I don't need to ask you what you are going to do today. You are going to quarterfinals, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Inshallah.
Yes, you look serious enough. All right. Let me wish you the best then.
Thank you, madam.
Aggrey Memorial Senior High School. Aggrey Memorial Senior High School is represented by
Mensa Ebenezer, final year.
Samuel Hagan, final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
You are seeded school.
Yes.
Yes. So what did the seniors tell you about last year's competition?
Okay, our seniors said they had a lot of tough contests, but by the favor of God, they were able to win, and then they went to the 1/8. They won, but at the quarterfinal, they were beaten by Queenas, and then the journey was ended there.
All right. Tell us a little bit about your school first, and then I'll ask you about what you are here to do today after that.
Okay, madam. Yeah, Aggrey Memorial Senior High School is a co-educational complex established by Dr. A.W.E. Appiah in memory of his late uncle, Dr. Kweji Aggrey, and it was established on 22nd January 1940 with our motto, Semper Optimo Nitere, which means always aim high.
All right, good. And the agenda for today?
We are here to see the mighty hand of God at work.
Mighty hand of God. All right. Best wishes. Viewers, we have met the contestants. We are looking for the mighty hand of God, the divine intervention of various forms. But before I sit down, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also supported by TIGO, GOL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. We are produced by Primetime. My name is Dr. Elsie Efa Kaufman. I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Biomedical Engineering, University of Ghana, and I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. Simple, direct questions that require simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If the answer is right, a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds to do so. All of the questions are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to start with Notre girls, but before I do, I have a preamble, and you may need 30 seconds for this first set of questions. Preamble to all schools. For the given capacitor network, Find the reactance of the network at an angular frequency of 100 radians per second. That's the preamble. Please, did you get your preamble? Good. Now, Notre Dame. A 20 microfarad capacitor in series with a 5 microfarad capacitor. Yes, Addison?
2.5 times 10 exponents minus 3 ohms.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you, Ebenezer?
We have 400 hertz.
No, that's incorrect. The right answer, you were close, your exponent was wrong. It's 2.5 times 10 to the power 3, not negative 3 ohm, or 2.5 kilo ohm. Your major question, Aggrey Memorial, with the same preamble. A 20 microfarad capacitor in parallel with a 5 microfarad capacitor. Yes, Ebenezer?
400 rad per second.
That's incorrect. For bonus? Too late. The right answer is 400 ohms. Nandom, with the same preamble. A 5 microfarad capacitor in parallel with a 15 microfarad capacitor. Yusuf?
They'll give you 5 times 10 to the power 3 ohms.
That's incorrect. Yes, Ebenezer?
500 ohms.
Yes. But that answer comes with a warning. If a school is still trying to give the answer and I'm still trying to listen to them and you ring again, it will be a penalty point next time. Next set, 10 seconds and you have a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Mention the specific type of heterotrophic nutrition exhibited by the following organisms. Did you get your preamble? Good. Notre Dame. Mistletoe. Yes, Addison?
Parasitic nutrition.
Yes. Aggrey Memorial. Ferns. Yes, Samuel?
Saprophytic nutrition.
No. For bonus. The right answer is epiphytism. Nandom, with the same preamble, lichens. Yusuf?
Mutualistic nutrition.
Yes. Mutualism. 30 seconds and you have a short preamble. Preamble to all schools. Solve for x given that, that's a preamble. Notre Dame, x squared. Yes, Addison?
Okay. Y is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 4.
That's incorrect. Yes.
4 or 3. S is equal to 4 or 3.
No. The right answer, x is equal to 3 or negative. If you go for a bonus, you better. Yes, Ebenezer.
S is equal to -5 or S is equal to 3.
Yes. Nandom with the same preamble. 3x plus y is equal to 14, and x squared minus y is equal to 14. Baluri.
X is equal to -7 or 4.
I didn't hear.
S is equal to -7 or 4.
Yes. What is this desperation for bonus points? Next set. Notre Dame. What is the numerical value of the Faraday's constant, and what is its relationship with the electron? Give the value of the Faraday constant in the scientific form to 2 places of decimal. Yes, Addison.
The value is 9.65 times 10 exponent 4 coulombs. And the relationship with the electron is 1 mole of electron.
2 out of 3. Yes, the value is right. 9.65 times 10 to the power 4 coulomb. It is the charge in coulomb on 1 mole of electrons. All right, Aggrey Memorial. State Faraday's first law of electrolysis. Yes, Samuel.
Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that the quantity of current that passes through an electrode is directly proportional to the mass at that electrode.
1. The quantity of a substance liberated at an electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of electrical charge passed through the electrolytic cell. Nandom, state Faraday's second law of electrolysis. Yes, Yusuf.
When the same quantity of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, the mass of any substance deposited at an electrode is directly proportional to the chemical equivalence. It's directly proportional to the chemical equivalence. That's molar mass over charge.
Okay. Audience, please, if you start clapping and I can't hear your contestant, don't hold me responsible. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble. Water exits a very small hole in the bottom of a very large water tank. Find the speed with which water exits the hole when the depth of water in the tank is as given. Did you get the preamble? Good. Notre Dame, depth equals 5 meters. Yes, Angela?
10 meters per second.
You're right. Aggrey Memorial, depth equals 3.2 meters. Yes, Ebenezer?
8 meters per second.
Yes. Nandom, depth equals 1.8 meters. Yusuf?
3.6 meters per second.
That's incorrect. Ebenezer?
6 meters per second.
Yes. Preamble. When I get to your school, I will give you a type of mammalian tooth. Type of mammalian tooth. Describe the type of mammalian tooth with respect to the number of roots that it possesses. I hope you got the preamble. All right, Notre Dame, premolar. Yes, Addison?
Okay. The premolar is a type of mammalian tooth that has 2 roots.
Yes. Aggrey memorial, incisors. Beneza?
It has 1.
Yes. Nandom, molar.
It has 3 roots. 3 roots.
Yes. 30 seconds with a preamble. Find the solution set of the inequality. Your inequality, Notre Dame, absolute value of the expression x plus 4 is less than 6. Angela?
X is such that minus 10 is less than x, and x is less than 2.
Yes. With the same preamble, Aggrey memorial. Absolute value of the expression 4y plus 3 is less than 9. Yes, Beneza.
Y is said to y that negative 3 less than y less than 3 over 2.
Yes. Nandom. Absolute value of the expression 2x minus 4 is greater than 6. Baluri.
X is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 5. X is less than minus 1 or is greater than 5.
Yes. You need to speak clearly. It's difficult to hear you. All right. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds. Notre Dame. Calculate the amount in mole of nitrogen gas in a balloon that has a volume of 4.2 times 10 to the power 4 decimeter cubed when the temperature of the gas is 27 degrees Celsius and the pressure is 96.0 kilopascal. For the purpose of this calculation, assume the gas constant R to be 8.4 joule per mole Kelvin. Yes, Angela.
1.6 times 10 exponent 5 moles.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is 1.60 times 10 to the power 3 moles. All right, Aggrey Memorial. 1.0 grams of a gas fills a 540 centimeter cube flask at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, and its pressure is 99 kilopascal. Use the information to calculate the molar mass of the gas. Assume the gas constant to be 8.10 joule per mole Kelvin for this calculation, and give your answer to 1 place of decimal. Did they make it? Go ahead.
We have 120.4 gram per mole.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 45.5 grams. Your question, Nandom, last question. Calculate the mass of oxygen in kilogram that can be stored in a gas cylinder of 60 decimeter cube volume at a pressure of 17,000 kilopascal and temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Assume the gas constant to be 8.5 joule per mole Kelvin for this calculation, and give your answer to 1 place of decimal. Atomic mass for oxygen, 16 as usual. That's incorrect. The right answer, go ahead again, the same thing.
The answer is 7 grams.
No. The right answer is 12.8 kilogram, and that brings us to the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Aggrey Memorial Senior High School has 13 points. Notre Girls Senior High School has 14 points. Nandom Senior High School has 15 points. Long way to go, 4 more rounds. Let me encourage everyone to keep working really hard. Round 2. This round is also known as the speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools simultaneously. For an opportunity to answer a question, you need to ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Notre girls? Nandom. Aggrey Memorial. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. If you attempt a question at any point and you are unable to answer correctly, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds in which to deliver your answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have a maximum of 10 seconds to do so. Best wishes, everyone. First question, 30 seconds. What is the difference in linear momentum between a 200 nanometer photon and a 400 nanometer photon? Which of you? Raise your hand, Yusuf.
200 joules.
That's incorrect. Ebenezer.
We have 3.3 times 10 to the power negative 21 kilogram meter per second.
No. The right answer is 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 27 Newton second. Next one, 10 seconds. The van der Waals equation of state can be stated as, and I have 2 expressions multiplying, so listen carefully to the expressions. The first one, P plus A n multiplied by n squared over v squared. And the second expression is v over n minus b. So these 2 expressions are multiplying is equal to RT, where P is pressure, V is volume, N is number of moles, T is temperature, R is the molar gas constant, and A and B are constants. What physical property of a real gas does the constant A account for? Yes, go ahead. Ebenezer.
The A represents the attractive forces that exist between the walls and...
I'm not accepting that. The A represents intermolecule interactions. Interactions may be attractive or repulsive, so I was not going to accept just the attractive forces. All right. Next one, 30 seconds. The length of a simple pendulum is 49.0 centimeters. Find the acceleration due to gravity at a location where its period is 1.40 seconds. The right answer is 9.87 meters per second squared. Next question, 10 seconds. Which organ is located in the duodenal loop of mammals? Yusuf.
The pancreas.
Yes. Ten seconds for the next one also. If X superscript big H is the dominant allele for normal vision, and X superscript small h is the recessive allele for color blindness, what will be the phenotype of a girl with the genotype X superscript big H and X superscript small h? Yes, Samuel.
They are all normal vision.
No. Who next? Yes. Yes, Anderson.
It's a female carrier of the colorblind.
Yes. Next one, 10 seconds again. What name is given to the umbrella-shaped fruiting body of a fully developed mushroom? Yusuf?
That's the cap
No.
or steep.
The right answer is the pileus or pileus. All right, next set, 30 seconds for each of them. First one. A matrix is given by A equals, and A is a 2 by 2 matrix with elements 2, -3, 3, -2. Find the matrix A squared. Ebenezer?
You have -5, 0, 0, -13.
That's incorrect. Yes, Angela?
-5, 0, 0, -5.
Yes. Next question. Convert 7 pi over 9 radians into degree measure. Yes, Angela?
140 degrees.
Yes. Next one, solve for x. Log of the expression x plus 5 minus log of the expression x minus 3 is equal to log of 2. Which of you, Ebenezer?
S is equal to 11.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round. 30 seconds. An organic molecule is known to contain a number of ester groups. The number was determined by treating 0.02 mole of the compound with 50.0 centimeter cubed of 1.0 mole per decimeter cubed NaOH solution. The excess alkali required 10.0 centimeter cubed of 1.0 mole per decimeter cubed of HCl solution for complete neutralization. Calculate the number of ester groups per molecule. The right answer is 2. Next one, 30 seconds. Lime dissolved in excess water produces a suspension used in whitewashing walls. If the enthalpies of formation of aqueous Ca or OH2, solid lime, and water are negative 1010 kilojoule per mole, negative 630 kilojoule per mole, and negative 290 kilojoule per mole respectively, calculate the amount of heat that accompanies the dissolution of a mole of lime. The right answer is negative 90 kilojoule per mole. Last question, 10 seconds, please. Their lamps are usually hydrated double salts containing tetraoxosulfate 6 of 2 different metals. What are the oxidation states of the 2 metals? Yusuf.
+1 and +3. +1 and +3.
Yes. And that's the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Aggrey Memorial Senior High School has 12 points. Nandom Senior High School has 19 points. Notre Girls Senior High School has 21 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes in which to present an answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. 1. Expand the expression 1 plus x raised to the power 4 completely. 2. Expand and simplify the expression 1 plus square root of 3 raised to the power 4. 3. Expand and simplify the expression 1 minus square root of 3 all raised to the power 4. 4. Hence, simplify the expression 1 plus square root of 3 all raised to the power 4 plus the expression 1 plus square root of 3, 1 minus square root of 3 all raised to the power 4. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. You may now stop writing and present your answers. Yes. It's your school name on there. Thank you. Nandom, why? Thank you. Ready. Contestants, please pick up your notepads and present your answers on the boards as you have them here. The contestants have presented their answers. Before I award the marks, let's look at the suggested solution from the consultants. This is a problem in mathematics. So we have an expression, 1 plus x, all raised to the power 4. And the first part of this question is to expand it completely. To expand this, you quickly remember some of the things you've been learning at school. It's the Pascal's triangle, right? So you can quickly expand this as 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x cubed plus x raised to the power 4. 2 marks for this. The next one, so it starts getting a little bit more interesting. So now expand and simplify the expression 1 plus square root of 3 all raised to the power 4. So this looks very much like what we've just expanded. Now instead of x, we have square root of 3. So we are going to substitute square root of 3 into our expansion from the first part. So we have 1 plus 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3 squared plus 4 root 3 cubed plus root 3 raised to the power 4. 1 mark for doing this. We can now simplify. We have 1 plus 4 root 3 plus 6 multiplied by 3, because root 3 squared is 3, plus 4 multiplied by 3 root 3 plus 9. If we simplify further, we'll get 28 plus 16 root 3, 2 more marks. Now the third part is to expand and simplify. 1 minus root 3 all raised to the power 4. So now we go back to our expansion, but instead of x, we substitute negative root 3. So we have 1 minus 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by root 3 cubed plus root 3 raised to the power 4. 1 mark for that. Let's simplify. 1 minus 4 root 3 plus 6 multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 3 root 3 plus 9. Simplifying further yields 28 minus 16 root 3. 2 more points. Now the last part. Hence, simplify those two expressions added. So 1 plus root 3 all raised to the power 4 plus 1 minus root 3 all raised to the power 4. We've already done all the work. So all you have to do is to take the two values you got from part 2 and part 3 and sum them. And if you do this, you will get 56. 2 more points, giving a total of 10 points. This was the expected solution or the suggested solution from our consultants. Now contestants, Nandom. I doubt that you couldn't do this. I mean, by the excitement of doing a problem of the day, you were even ringing your bell. Sometimes it helps to remain calm, okay? All right. So, so you got everything right, but you were not able to complete the last part. So that gives you 8 out of 10. Our other 2 schools, Notre Girls Senior High School and Aggrey Memorial Senior High School, no problem with our problem of the day. And I am happy to award perfect scores. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3. You may pick up your notepads. Before we begin the fourth round, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also sponsored by TIGO, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. We are produced by Primetime. Thank you. Round 4. In this round, I'll be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider that statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If the answer is right, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, that penalty point awaits. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm starting this time with Aggrey Memorial, your statement. The average kinetic energy of a monoatomic molecule in an ideal gas equals the product of 3/2 the Boltzmann's constant and the absolute temperature of the gas. Yes, Ebenezer?
It's true.
Yes. Nandom. The pressure of an ideal gas is proportional to the total translational kinetic energy of the molecules in the gas. Yes, Yusuf?
It's true.
Yes. Notre. The root mean square speed of an ideal gas molecule is proportional to the temperature of the gas. Addison.
It's true.
No, that's a false statement. Aggrey Memorial. Diamond is hard because it is the metallic form of carbon. Yes, Ebenezer?
False.
Yes. In group 5 of the periodic table, the non-metallic properties decrease down the group. Yusuf?
It's false.
No, that's a true statement. Notre. The iodide ion is bigger than the bromide ion. Addison?
True.
Yes. The length of a vector is its absolute value. Yes, Ebenezer?
It's true.
No, that's a false statement. Nandom. A vector of length 5 in the direction I plus j is 5 multiplied by I plus j. Yes, Baluri?
It's false.
Yes. The 0 vector has length 0. Yes, Addison?
False.
Oh, what else will it have? That's a true statement. Aggrey. Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation occur in mitochondria. Ebenezer?
False.
Yes. Mitochondria have their own ribosomes that are distinct from the normal eukaryotic ribosomes. Yusuf?
That is true.
Yes. You see that it helps to be calm? It helps to be calm. The mitochondrial matrix is the space between the inner and the outer membrane of the organelle. Yes, Addison?
False.
You're right. In the Frank-Hertz experiment, an anode current peak occurs at an accelerating voltage at which electrons undergo inelastic collisions with the atoms of the gas in the Frank-Hertz tube. Ebenezer? Yes. Nandom? In the Frank-Hertz experiment,
It's true.
Nandom, in the Frank-Hertz experiment, the energy of an electron at the accelerating voltage for an anode current peak equals a transition energy for atoms in the tube. Yusuf?
It's false.
No, that's a true statement. Notre Dame, in the Frank-Hertz experiment, only one current peak can ever be observed. Addison?
It's false.
Yes. The intermolecular forces in an ideal gas at very high pressures are significant and cannot be assumed to be negligible. Yes, Ebenezer?
It's true.
Yes. Diamond is hard because of the strength of the carbon-carbon covalent bonds within diamond. Yusuf?
It's true.
Yes. The low intermolecular forces in CO2 gas molecules are due to the absence of polar bonds in the molecule. Addison?
It's false.
Yes. Tangent of 180 degrees plus A is equal to tangent of A. Yes, Ebenezer?
It's true.
Yes. Sine of 180 degrees plus A is equal to sine of A. Baluri?
It's true.
No. Now you are being too patient. Notre Dame. Cosine of 180 degrees plus A is equal to cosine of A. Yes, Addison?
It's false.
Yes. The last set of statements, but I have a preamble for all schools first. Preamble. State whether the following examples are true or false of cryptic coloration. I hope you got that. So we are dealing with cryptic coloration. All right, Aggrey Memorial. Mottled colors on the moths that rest in lichens. Yes, Ebenezer?
It's true.
Yes. With the same preamble, Nandom. Bright color of an insect-pollinated flower. Yes, Yusuf?
It's false.
Yes. Notre Dame, last statement with the same preamble. Bright marks on poisonous tropical frog on variegated leaves. Addison?
It's true.
No, that's a false statement. And that's the end of the fourth round. At the end of the fourth round, Nandom Senior High School has 34 points. Aggrey Memorial Senior High School has 35 points. Notre Girls Senior High School has 38 points. This is a very close contest which will be decided in this fifth and final round. Round 5. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve the riddle, you need to ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Notre Dame girls? Nandom. Aggrey Memorial. When you ring, the answer must be ready. I will not wait. Best wishes, everyone. There are 4 riddles. You need to do very accurate measurements when I am in operation. It means I am one of the quantitative methods in science, especially in chemistry. Measurement of volumes. Yes, Angela?
Volumetric analysis.
No. You also rang. Yes, Ebenezer?
Titration.
No. Listen carefully. Measurement of volumes is not of ultimate interest to me. An accurate analytical balance is a must. When I am in operation, formation of an insoluble precipitate is necessary. The precipitate must be filtered, washed, and dried to constant weight. What am I? Yusuf.
Precipitation.
Anyone? Yes, sir. You are right. It's gravimetric analysis. Next one. My precise shape and size vary widely among different organisms. In classical anatomy, I am divided into 4 sections. I am present in many animals, including vertebrates, echinoderms, insects, and mollusks. In humans and many other vertebrates, I am involved in the second phase of digestion, following mastication. I normally lie between the esophagus and the duodenum. Yes, Samuel?
The stomach.
Yes. I read the fifth and final clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a physical property of a material. I am closely associated with speed. However, I am a dimensionless quantity. I characterize the change in velocity in an... Yes, Angela?
Refractive index.
You're right. I was reading the 4th clue, 3 points. Last riddle. I am the result of an experiment or a trial. To know me.
Outcome.
Yes. was reading the second clue, 4 points. That's the end of the 5th round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Nandom Senior High School has 34 points. Notre Girls Senior High School has 41 points. Aggrey Memorial Senior High School has 42 points. Nandom Senior High School, thank you for being here. Best wishes to you. Notre Girls Senior High School, thank you for being here and for giving us such a good contest. You did so well, so well, and I feel the pain. Unfortunately, I have to say goodbye. Best wishes. Aggrey Memorial Senior High School. Congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. It was a remarkable recovery. Well done. Please prepare well, and I look forward to seeing you in the quarterfinals. See you. Viewers, that was an exciting 1A stage contest. Next time, we'll bring you the 17th 1A stage contest, which will feature Secondary College, St. James Seminary Senior High School, and Anglo Senior High School. Before we leave, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also sponsored by TIGO, GOL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. We are produced by Primetime. Thank you very much for joining us for this contest, and see you next time. Bye.